We're counting down to the end of today's trading session. NVIDIA is up, up 2.49%. Yeah, 2.49%, but has rejected the intraday high of 119.31 and trading at the lows of, you can say maybe the lows of the last 4 hours. Okay, so definitely one of the most active has traded around 332.8 million shares and counting. So next one is Ford. Ford is the second most active. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what's going on. What's behind Ford's strength? hmm Let's see. Let's see what's going on with Ford. Ford is taking time to load. Okay. Ford equally rejected equally rejected. Got it rejection at 9.27, just coming off support of 9.19. Form a wedge is forming. This is a 1 minute chart. Not that it's going to be of much use. Over 141.6 million shares have crossed the tape and still counting. Let's quickly see what's going on. One safe dividend stock to buy now as full blown trade war begins. Could it be Ford? Okay, let's see here. There's some facts there. Ford Motor faces significant challenges as new 25% tariff on imports from Mexico and Canada begin, potentially disrupting supply chains and costing $110 million daily, totaling $40 billion yearly. Yeah, so the stock is, I think it's down 2.08%. We don't have any upward projection for Ford or even downward projections. Maybe we have to come out of this 1 minute chart and maybe come to the okay, let's keep it at 1 hour chart and see. Let's keep it at 1 hour chart. Yeah, here upper projections are in play here where we have 9.49, 9.66, and all the way to 9.77. So let's see what's going on with Intel. INTC. Intel is hold on. Intel is no result. Let's go to trading view. Intel is let's see, 4.84%. Has to be tariffs and stuff like that as well. Intel is set to launch its 18A chip making process to reclaim its edge in the chip tech amid TSMC's investment in US manufacturing, potentially affecting Intel's foundry operations. Mass layoff hits the Chips Act office as Trump team rethinks semiconductor strategy. Yeah, it's like I pointed out earlier, down 4.99 for some reason. We're not getting anything here from Think and Swim. Let's refresh. Okay, so no upper projections in sight. There's one here, but it's just right down where it got a rejection, 21.87. So let's have a look at mass. We've seen it before. We saw it earlier on. Okay, let's see. Printing higher highs now. Um, Printing high highs. There's a downward projection of 3.59, 3.46, and 3.37. The company sold around 70. It sold one of its assets to another company. The company makes handheld digital analyzers for the chemical industry. Yeah. So let's move on to Tesla. Let's see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla Okay, we have let's see what's going on. It is down to 30.28%. Upper projection of 28739, 29227, 304118, and 31176 on this 1 hour chart. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till tomorrow, the 5th of March. Let's see whether there's any factor today. Bank of America has lowered its price target for Tesla from $490 to $380. Yeah, let's see whether we can get something here. Okay, rejecting any input. So we are stuck with trading view. So let's look at Palantir. Palantir is up 2.64%. Here we have 81.87 downward projection. Okay, we have 76.56. We have 73.72. We have 71.26. Any news? US tariffs to be major pain for consumer economy. Okay, let's see. Anything concerning Palantir? Okay, not really. Yesterday, why Palantir stocks pullback is an opportunity. Okay. Okay, let's quickly move on to SMCI. SMCI has printed a decent amount of gain, 9.07%. Let's see. Factor today, Supermicro saw its stock drop over 13%, making it the worst performer on the S&P 500 due to links to a fraud case in Singapore involving servers. Supermicro recovers from declines, becomes top gainer on S&P 500. Supermicro jumps as it looks to snap losing streak. SMCI still faces these risks. Okay, let's see what the risks are. Okay, stock was rising today as it looked to avoid a fourth straight loss. The server maker has suffered recently from an apparent unwinding of its artificial intelligence trade. Shares jumped 8.8% at some point in today's trading session. The stock was the second best performer in the S&P 500 on Friday, the 28th of March, 28th of February 2025, while the index dropped 0.9%. Shares are still up 28% this year, but they are down about 67% from their all-time high set in March of 2024. The stock dropped, I think, 13% on Monday. That is Monday, the 3rd of March. As markets digested the Trump administration's imposition of levies on imports from Mexico, Canada, and China, the move appears to have triggered a flight to safety, which is hitting a range of stocks previously buoyed by enthusiasm over AI investment. Amid uncertainty about the company's accounting controversy, it became a popular AI trade among retail investors, including those using leverage single stock funds. This has made the stocks moves notably volatile. Supermicro is down sharply after an initial gain last week, which when it avoided delisting and met its compliance deadline for submitting financial filings. Okay, yeah. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's move on to LCID. Okay, the seed is one of the most active. Currently, has traded over 94 million shares and counting. Let's see. We have on a projection here of 2.2. Momentum is expected to remain flat. Let's see. Um, okay, Lucid, nothing anything there. On track to on it's on the stock is on track for lowest close since November of 2024. Okay, let's look at the plot. Let's look at the plot power. Power is up 6.6%, has traded at 5.5 million shares. Okay, we have a rejection at $1.64. Momentum is expected to remain strong, but wane slightly by tomorrow. Extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages is for higher prices. Okay, let's look at the last one, FRGT. FRGT, let's see what's going on here. Any news? Extrapolations for higher prices, including but momentum is expected to wane by tomorrow, but still expected to remain strong, even up to the post-market session of today. Let's see. Freight Technologies launches AI tendering bot to revolutionize and streamline load tendering process. Okay, so it gained 559.22 percent, riding the wave of anything AI. So it has a downward projection here of $1.49. So yeah, these are some of the stocks in the move, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.